Yes, so much muligererie Ogusi Voice. Thank you so much abantu bali mwabere mu kumbwati asama tukaiga na beri nkoleto umugano yiga o Janet. By the way, naletere kuru part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Part ntangani na cheta ali so muche o Janet akangereso bwima bwaye goche part ya kabere ngaleta ogukure. Part ya gatatu akolie mugako, lie part ya kane ngakolia abanyakenyoro, part ya gatano ngabaletere amacha video yakoretwe ngakia matanga arenge. Bono timanye tinga ngaki morochi tokore partner moroche twatigairi tutarakora. Suggest me ntebyango WhatsApp wango monte igo serika ngo se comment section yiga monte bigoro ya part kiga tutarakora ngaki moroche story ya jane tura tonye kolera tawende story chingago se moroche ngabade ibintu mbere tutarakora. You know, I want to engage my viewers. Ayo muligereri. Kwanza, by the way, wa subscribe. Ayo ligereri story no subscribe it because that is the only way. Konyora. By the way, video tara subscribe. Hey, come on. Subscribe nza. Kwanza tianda bali bagara subscribe wangu nsa. Subscribe. Aye subscribe. Nsa. Ye ntongere nsa ke muamkara subscribe. Teto bavange community ebe ntambe ebe nyinge. And by the way, membership nerega join ga se membership ga so magwe karoko join membership ko private citizen so ga join ororo anya gote kon support. You can support me through the membership ga magu lakini ne kara subscribe. Anyway, thank you so much singe wa subscribe kudos thumbs up bono tima tinga monta gete to ande murako ali se omugako iga obatebano yo Janet Tom ale osenga kimoroji mota kete ndigi Jacqueline Chaki oigo lengo ngino motangani oeneri ko wife ya Janet ara to tebe manganaye ndota kire kuira na alisobo Janet sobo Janet ire maraba magenche ando amagenche maraba alisobo Janet tumanyanga ki mugano yo lenge nga kichombe chiranete gosenchiranete gosenga kichiarenge. Okay, mota tetuirane o Janet eli at least toigwania mugako lina Janet mbaletamo mboli Janet no mugako liba mugakaga Janet ga babolinga Janet bono teba nianga sa maiso nkimotagete ndebyango nkimotagete. I need your reactions. By the way, na boko ngakresi inambe rigorogaiga ngakiranga esimi ntebyanga maoni yago ande by the way karmo ko ngakresi mi abande mo advice ngaki makna itigente ke koraiga na iga because nje tindiko judgment nje nkoleta inumwe kamwa judge. I don't want to judge anyone. Ninde ko judge Janet, ninde ko judge father-in-law, ninde ko judge mugako lio I want to bring a story iga professionalism mole inumwe kamokoreki mo judge. But yande commenta I want your engagements ninde tumoranga monte bigo chansa iga ndigre comments monte bigo chagaiga nyego konga kresi mina beyane no ere gorogagu just tell me in WhatsApp korugagu tumanya kimokora andanye mebinto bire buya mo ko appreciate asenga kiere. Thank you so much. Ina bantabaya, God bless you. Walimu abokire, good morning. Walimu goji kurara, good night. Walimu ole mugaso, good afternoon. Bye bye. Take care. Endra ko subscribe.